Hello student. Today I am going to tell you a short moral story. Story name is Small Bird and Golden Crown. Once in a forest there was a small bird who lived singing. One day a big bird heard small bird singing. Big bird was jealous and told small birds, "Stop singing. You are too small and your voice is very bad." The small bird felt sad but didn't stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard small bird's beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. Moral of the story: believe in yourself.